So welcome guys to my channel. My name is Raj and today we will be using Pi serial or serial in Ardunio to control the LEDs. So let's start with first our wiring part. So first we will connect our LED with the breadboard here, and then we will connect our positive wires to control the LED. So this one yellow one, and then the white one. So after this wires are connected in the breadboard, as you can see, then we will connect it to our Ardunio Uno. I'm using Ardunio Uno here, and then we will connect our wire here for the negative one. So I will just plug the negative wire here. One end will go right there and one end will go right here. Done. Now we after adding a register to the negative, I will add my wire and connect it to ground on Ardunio. I will use the ground with the pins like 1312. Next thing is connecting our Ardunio to our PC, and then I will show you the code. So for coding part, we will have a string as data underscore py. Then we will start the voice setup here. Then we will do is serial. We will begin the serial on this pound rate. Then we will add our pin 8 as output, 9 as output, 10 as output. Then we will do void loop. In the loop, we will add data underscore py equal to serial dot read string until \n. Then we will add if data underscore py double equal to 1. Then it will turn on the LED n/n for like a gap and for all those. Next we will have if data underscore py double equals to off, then it will off the all LED, and that much it. Then we will upload our code for Ardunio, and after uploading we will use go to our serial here, and then we're gonna do is for 1 here LED 1 is on. For 2 it will not be, because we have to first turn off. Then 2 it will turn on, then off. Then 3 it will turn on blue and then off. So now we know is our code is working. Then we will start with our Python part. So for Python I will link all the code also in the description. So in Python, first we will open up our terminal, and we are using Visual Studio. In terminal we will type here pip install Pi serial. Okay, do not install normal serial, it will send error, but we have to install Pi serial. So let us install that. It will take some time installing it. Okay, after installing Pi serial, we will remove our hashtag so we could import it. So we will again do is hashtags because it does not detect as there is something, but after we will run it, I don't see it works. But first we will run Python file so we could enter. Okay, so let me delete it and try to rerun. So we will run a program here. Okay, so in command section, okay, I will first quit it do CLS for clear it and rerun. Yeah, so for command, if we hit the 1, it should turn on the 1 LED. Yes, we did it. It did turn on the first LED. Then we're gonna do is off here, and it showed that. Okay, so we, as you can see, we are having an error here that the last command is sending. So we're gonna do Control C. So for fixing that error, you might increase the sleep time or lower it. We're gonna do is increase it. Actually, not here. We're gonna increase it before writing for 2 seconds. Let us see if that fixes. So I'm gonna run it. Type 1. Still we didn't get our command that was written. So it comes over here. So we could increase it to 4 seconds, and if we moved some seconds right after here and run it, we're gonna run the program here. Yes, so if we hit 4 seconds, 1 2 3 4, and it should run. Okay, so let me again fix it and see. So it turns out that we added \n to all of this that we should not add, and it causes the errors, so that it like delays the receiving of it. So I removed the \n and uploaded the program. Then over here, if we now run it, it always causes this error. Remove it, and if I hit 1 option, it should print it. As you can see, LED is on, and if you could see, yeah, the LED is on and perfectly running. We type off, it says that it sometimes causes error, but again 1 turns on. As you can see, it sometimes causes error. If we do this 2, then it will see here always causes some error, but it's okay. Minor error always happens. 1 says off, 1 and then off, and then it is off, then 2, then it runs, and if we off it, it also works. And if we do 3, it turns on, the 3 LED is on, and then if we off it, it also off. So if we type close, it will close the program. Now guys, I will show you how to get files from my website. Go to my website and click on the project section. You will redirect to my project section. You can see my contact and all those here. Now in projects, you will there will be the video title, and you will click on the download zip option. That will download, go to the Google Drive or something, and will download zip. And yeah, that is how you download the files. So if you want, you will convert it into exe, but I will keep it like this, and I will meet you on my next video. Thank you and bye bye.